Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to go over my Udemy January income report. I had a solid month in January with the help of a couple added courses. And then I'm going to kind of go over what my Udemy goals are going to be moving forward. So I have two accounts. One's a pretty small account, have a couple simple courses uploaded, and they make a little bit of money each month. So my January income for 2020, account 1 was $428, account 2 was $31, for a grand total of $459 being brought in. And in comparison to last January, which was only $82. So if you look at that, it's 4 to 5 times larger this year than it was last year. And I did have the same winning course up last January as well. It just shows you as a course picks up, becomes popular, it takes a while, but then once it becomes a popular course, then you start making some steady income from it. I'm going to log in to Udemy and show you the numbers, and then I'm going to kind of discuss the Udemy goal and plan moving forward. So in my main Udemy account, you'll see that I've crossed the $2,500 threshold on this account, and I have a total enrollments of 4,000, and my instructor rating is 4.57, which is pretty good. It's rolling along pretty well. And you will see I had this selected for all time because I kind of wanted to see what everything looked like last January, $82 there, compared to this January at $428. So I am doing something right, growing my Udemy account and students, and you'll see that it just kind of, you'll see the trend. So if I look at February, just in comparison, that my account was able to pull in around $100 before that. So I had a couple $100 months. But then in January, 82, and then look at what happens in February at $23. And then it picks up a little bit and then drops back down. So I'm expecting February to about June, July. These months are going to be pretty low months. This is the slow season is what it looks like for Udemy, a slower season, and then it really picks up. And if you do things right during this time and you build your Udemy account and continue to post really good courses, doing your course research, and picking courses that don't have too much competition, but there's a big demand for them, then what happens is you're going to ramp up for the fall and into the new year, which are going to be the biggest months of the year. And so the goal would be to try to 2 to 3x what I did this year, by posting some more courses, doing the research correctly, and then seeing this $500 turn into $1,500 by next year, $1,500, $2,000 by next year. So that would be the goal moving forward on the Udemy account. So another level of the income report. It's important to also show that this $2,500, if we wipe out the last 3 months, I was barely at $1,000. I had barely hit $1,000. And then all of a sudden I've made almost $1,500 in 3 months. And, most of it, the majority of it is from one course. And that just shows you the power of Udemy and what passive income truly can look like, is just continuing to make sales month after month and actually seeing a Udemy account grow from a course that I published almost 2 years ago. And I'm having bigger months than I've ever had. And that is true passive income. A course that I spent 3 hours on 2 years ago is now making me $400 to $500 a month passive income. So the goal, the obvious goal would be to replicate that several times and turn this into a $3,000 a month passive income stream. So when I look at, you'll see it right here, it just really took off. November, December, January are going to probably be the 3 biggest months is what I'm guessing on Udemy in comparison with everything else. There could be a combination as well of my course kind of is a top recommended course in its category. And so when I go into January, you'll see that I started your total earnings, and you get it. I only have that's like 2 refunds, so that's great. People are liking my stuff; they're not asking for refunds. And promotion activity right here, which is great. I need to be focusing on a little bit more promotion activity, and these ones. Sending out coupons via email to my students. I was able to pull in 3 extra sales, which it's $26 for spending 30 seconds writing up an email and pushing send, and then you can add to this. So the goal would be to try to send out more promotional emails and putting my courses on sale a couple times a month. See if I can increase this month after month. And then earnings by course, you will see, like I said, the biggest piece of the pie. It's my self-publishing course. But then I added the month before, and on Udemy, it's important to know that when you add courses, it takes a couple months for them to gain any kind of traction. They usually don't just start selling right away. You got to do a little bit of work. You want to get either give it out for free. You want to get a couple reviews on there. But when I look at this one's about creating audiobooks, and I've posted a couple videos on Teach Me Money Methods YouTube channel from the course. So if you were interested in making money creating audiobooks and selling them on Audible, that's what this course is all about. You can message me as well if you are interested in that course. I can get you a coupon for it to get you it for is the cheapest discount you can get on Udemy. Just message me if you were interested in that. That's another thing I do on this channel, and I actually have a book that will be launching on ACX this coming week here in the next couple days, and I will be giving an update on Teach Me Money Methods on the channel. And then this work from home jobs, I probably spent an hour creating this course, and you will see that this course has no reviews or anything, and it still brought me in $11. So I had a couple sales. So that just shows you that when you post a course, you actually, in comparison, with even like a Amazon KDP published book, on the low content publishing, you could create 5 books and they don't make you $11 in that month. This course here didn't take that long to create, and it made me $11 in its first month of release, and it has no reviews. So if you're posting a quality course and you do some good keyword research and everything, you still will actually make some money on your courses even without reviews. So pretty good stuff. So that'll wrap up this video, and I look forward to seeing the next. Thank you.